2027 BYD T5 Hybrid Motorhome. Take your home on the road. Wait, hold up. What you're looking at, is this an RV? Nope. This is a palace on wheels. Meet the 2027 BYD T5 Hybrid Motorhome. China's electric giant BYD is about to flip the RV world upside down. And trust me, this thing changes everything. Design, a masterpiece on the road. You know it the second you see it. This ain't your grandpa's motorhome. Aerodynamic lines, LED light strips, massive solar panels on top. It looks like it came straight from the future. Dual rear axles keep you rock solid on the toughest terrain. The exterior is so jaw-dropping, people will literally stop and take photos everywhere you park. Interior, a real home. The moment you step inside, wow. Fully equipped kitchen, stove, fridge, sink, cabinets. Cook like you're at home. Foldable table and super comfy couches. And in the back, a dreamy bedroom. After a long day of adventure, 5-star hotel comfort is waiting for you. Every detail is thought out, every corner perfectly lit. Performance, hybrid beast. Here's the real game changer. 100 kilometers range. Yeah, you heard that right. The hybrid system combines electric and gas power seamlessly. 132 kWh massive battery. Silent electric cruising in the city, gas backup for the long hauls, mountains, deserts, beaches. Wherever you want to go, BYD takes you there. Solar power, free electricity. Those 600W solar panels on the roof collect energy all day long. Run the AC, charge your phone, watch TV, all for free. Out in nature, off the grid, completely free. That's what real adventure looks like. Price, $60,000, $70,000. For this price, you can travel the world in home comfort. No hotel bills, no restaurant expenses. That's the price of freedom, baby. 2027 BYD T5 Hybrid Motorhome. Your home is now everywhere.